Hi everyone, welcome to another Miroverse video. In this video, we'll take a look at a template called Black Friday Bingo Cards. Now, the link to this Miroverse template is in the description below. Alright, so do check it out after you've had a chance to watch this video. Now, it is the month of November and you're looking for a Black Friday themed icebreaker for your group of friends or for your colleagues at work or for your network, just generally. So what do? You jump onto that link and have a look at this Black Friday Bingo Cards template. And you'd want to click on the blue Use Template button to copy this template to your Miro account. Now, depending on how many times you run this template, you can use one of these four bingo sets. All of them have a different combination of questions. So every time you use them, if you can use one of these sets, it is going to be a different experience. All right, so once you have decided what set to use, you can put it on your Miro board and copy paste these shopping bags for the number of people that are joining your session. And each of them get a shopping bag and of course one of these markers to indicate or to cross the item in their bingo card. So as a taskmaster, what you do is, or as a facilitator, what you do is you would go through all of these questions. So for example, got lost in a mall, bought an item in multiple colors, shopped using your pajamas online. You will go through them and your participants will put the markers on each of these boxes if they've experienced that or done that, been there, done that before. Now, the first person to either put a marker diagonally or horizontally or vertically, they will shout bingo, and basically they've won. So you can decide how you'd want to give prizes to your team, but hey, this is a Black Friday themed bingo cards. So do check this out. Comment down below if you have played bingo before, and if you have, comment bingo below. All right, BINGO. Now, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your network, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you get notified when a new video pops up on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Bye.